Okay, 5th of June 2022. Now you can see that we have a mature plant of aeonium kiwi. It seems that it is 1 year old plant, and you can see that there are around like 5 stems on this plant. One more thing, that there is a very similar plant which is called as aeonium web. Okay, web and Berthel. So now we will try to propagate it from the stem cuttings. Now we are just cutting it out. We are just cutting the stems. And one more thing, that this aeonium plant cannot be propagated with the help of leaves. So it's better not to have a try on the leaf propagation. We will just try to propagate it from the stem cuttings, while the aeonium web can be grown from the leaf cuttings. Okay, so we have taken some of our cuttings. Now we are just cleaning them, and you should have to remove the lower leaves. Why it is so? Because when they used to be in contact with the soil, it can cause some sort of root rot, okay, or stem rot. So now you can see that we just have this plant. Okay, we have just this single rosette, and 5 of the stem rosettes are now okay. Now on the next day, we are just going to put them in our media. Okay, and media is just simple garden soil. We do not use to mix sand in it, which is not a good thing. Okay, we must have to do it, because more is the sand, more is the well drainage of the media. And now we need to put like this, and okay, now we have put all of our four cuttings, oh sorry, 5 cuttings within the media. Now we have to wait for the results. Okay, you also need to keep them in bright light but in shade. Temperature is 35 degrees Celsius. Okay, on 13th of August 2022, like after 1.5 months. Now you can see that all of our three pots, we got all the cuttings rot out. Okay, they are completely deteriorated. We just have these 2 cuttings left. Okay, okay, now this one, yes, this one is having some sort of roots. You can see this one is having some roots. And now we will try to go for the next one, this one. Okay, and we can't see any sort of roots here. I don't know why, but even after 1.5 months, neither it is going to rot, neither it shows any sort of progress regarding roots development. Now we will try to put it in the media, because it is the only rosette which we have grown perfectly. So we need to put it inside the media. Okay, now I have brought this what's called as the scalpel, and we because its roots are not so much strong, they are very delicate, so we have to take care that they must not get broken out. So usually my succulent propagation rate is 100%, but in the case of aeonium kiwi, it is not so much good. Okay, it is not so much good. So hopefully you got the concept that how you can propagate aeonium kiwi. So thanks for visiting our channel.